All right, men, today we are cooking a slow-cooked curry. We are using diced beef. You can use any meat you want, lamb, beef, whatever you want. We're going to use potatoes, onion, garlic, coconut milk, and I'm using rendeng curry paste. You can use any curry paste. This could be a red curry, green curry, whatever. Obviously, salt and pepper as well to flavor. What we're going to do is once we've chopped all the ingredients up, we're going to sear the meat off in a skillet. And then we're going to put everything in the slow cooker besides the potato. So we're searing off the meat. This is going to add some more flavor. Brown it off a little bit. Then you put everything in the slow cooker, mix it up. We haven't put the potato in yet, because if I put the potato in now, by the time the curry's cooked, it's going to be too mushy, the potato. So we're going to put that in later, which this is probably an hour before the curry's actually ready. And it's been on high for a couple of hours. And then I turn it on low at the end, okay? I know it's on high there, but I ended up putting it on low. Look, I served it just with some steamed veggies, no rice, and then it's good to go. Healthy meal, do it.